guys, and welcome back to Ital Kitchen. Today I'll be sharing with you a homemade toothpaste recipe. Very simple and easy to make. So what, 4 ingredients. So using some baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, some eucalyptus oil. You can use peppermint oil if you don't have eucalyptus, and also some coconut oil. So this is the natural organic coconut oil. I'm just gonna add a few, like maybe 2 teaspoons of baking soda into a jar. So that's it. So I'm gonna use 3 teaspoons of baking soda. Then we're adding in our peroxide. It's gonna add it straight in there. So 3 tablespoons of baking soda to 2 teaspoons of peroxide, and we have a nice paste like this. So this is the consistency. Alright, so next we'll be adding in the minty flavor, which we'll get from our eucalyptus oil. So now we're adding in like a 3/4 of a teaspoon of eucalyptus oil. And coconut oil. Coconut oil is good for your teeth. So 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. And lastly, this is optional, I'll be adding in some sage. So I have this sage. Sage is a wonderful herb. I'm adding in just a dash of sage, and then give this a nice mix. Combine everything well. So we achieve a lovely consistency. Alright, so because this has in the coconut oil, if you put it in your freezer, it's gonna harden a little bit and become a nice solid paste. You can use this right away. Clean your teeth with it. So basically that is it. Good for your teeth, your gums, and just your whole mouth health. So you want to store this. So you just store it in your fridge. You're gonna just get your toothpaste, your toothbrush, dip it in there a little, get some on the brush like this. And it's powerful. You know, you have the roughness of the baking soda, so it's gonna give your teeth a nice scrub. And the coconut oil is great for your gums. Also the sage is good for your gums. And I've been using this toothpaste on and off for a couple of years, and it really does give your mouth a clean, refreshing feel. I hope you guys feel very inspired to try this homemade fluoride free toothpaste, and remember to share it with your friends, your family. Thank you so much for joining me on Ital Kitchen. Until next time, eat well and walk good. Also, I really do appreciate the love and the support. So blessings.